And this week we are talking about how to let an employee know that they have passed their probation period. Let's get stuck in. So this week, our HR in the Spotlight, our free template, is a letter or an email letting an individual know that they have successfully passed their probationary period with your business. Now, if you know me or if you've read any of my blogs, you know that I really love probation. I get very excited about it, and in fact I've done a whole blog and video on it, and the link to that is below. But really, if you're new to this or you're not 100% sure, probation is the first few months in an employment contract where the employee is effectively on trial. I generally set probation at 6 months. Some people will have it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It's entirely up to you, but I would recommend 6 months. And the reason for it is to make sure that that individual is performing to the standards that you require in your business. So basically they are commonly on trial, is what we would say. The template that I have created for you is the nice one that you get to send at the end of that probation period, whether it's 1 month, 3 months or 6 months, telling the employee in writing that they have successfully achieved all of your standards throughout the probationary period, and therefore you're confirming their employment as permanent. It is a very important document as it's a confirmation of their permanent status within your organisation, and it relates to their terms and conditions of employment with you, so it's a very important document for them to retain. It's also something as an employer you want to be seen to do. You know, oftentimes we're always telling employees when they're not doing well, but this is a new employee, they joined you as a newbie a few months ago, they've had to go through their trial, they've had to get some training, they've had to learn the ropes, so it's useful for them and very appreciative for them to hear in writing from you that they've completed their probation successfully and they're now a full-time member of the team. So please don't miss this opportunity to build on that employee engagement, and importantly to recognise employees where they're doing well, because that's what we like in HR, when people are doing well. So that's it, it's a template, and as before, if you click in the box below, you'll get the link that will take you straight there. And whilst you're there, have a look in the probation section. We've quite a few documents in there, particularly those ones that are useful if things aren't going so well. There's a whole host of documents in there and information to help you as well. That's it for now, guys. Thanks very much, and we'll see you very soon.